For over 40 years, we've been focused on one purpose: keeping the world supplied with injectable therapies. Our award-winning aseptic filling services have earned the trust of drug developers of every size. We have a passion for what we do, supporting the success of injectable products like yours. From the first steps in clinical development, we're here to help you meet your timelines and hit your milestones. From your first technical batches to your clinical trial material to Phase 3 scale-up and launch. With over 20 cutting-edge aseptic filling lines, we're ready to enable the global supply of your commercial products for patients around the world. And across the product lifecycle, we'll help keep your therapies at the forefront of their market with innovative packaging solutions and production processes. At every step, quality is at the heart of what we do and the focus of our robust cGMP aseptic filling processes. Our services meet highest possible regulatory requirements and standards. We support a wide range of different formats and filling volumes, including vials, syringes, cartridges, and dual chamber systems. And our expertise spans a spectrum of high-value substance classes, from oligonucleotides and monoclonal antibodies to fusion proteins and more. From the first development steps to global market success, we're here to support you, your products, and their differentiation, value, and impact. Explore our expertise at vetter-pharma.com.